Okay guys, so I've started off by opening this injector pipe here, right? I'm just tightening it up now. I pump this lift pump to get the fuel from here in the rail to the first injector by pumping, and that didn't work out. So what I'm doing now is I finished opening this already, so I'm going to open this one, right, like so. Still a little bit loose. I'm going to put a cloth there so it does not mess the Tappet cover that I cleaned yesterday. Right, while I go inside and swing the vehicle, and you'll see the fuel coming out. And as you can see, the fuel has come out. I will show you my cloth shortly. Cloth is wet, so the fuel is right there. So we're going to repeat the process for the third and fourth injector. Right, as you can see, the bubbles are already coming up. So again, take your cloth. You don't need a cloth, but I'd rather do this to avoid me re-washing the engine bay again. Right, cloth, catch the fuel, a little bit loose, and swing. Right, as you can see, the fuel is coming out, so this time we'll nip the injector back. Now it's time for the last one. I can't get to it from there. Go back aside. As you can see, this injector, it's leaking. The fuel is coming out from the pipe that goes from the injector pipe, this one, into the injector. Remember, it was rusty yesterday. I guess that bond is still holding it. I guess it's still rusty because it's not opening on the top, it's opening at the bottom. It's fine, still good enough. As long as we get fuel into the injector line, we're safe. Right, I can see fuel on my cloth again. I'm tighten this up. It really seems so tight, man. Damn it. So let's try and swing him up again and let's see if he starts. If all goes well, it should start very easily.